everybody, it's Carrie with From Seed to Spoon. I am super excited today to announce to you the newest feature that we have available on our From Seed to Spoon app, and it is Growbot. There has been so many advancements in the past about 6 months or so in AI technology, and Dale is super plugged in and has been watching it all along throughout this process. And now we are really excited to announce that we have formulated our own AI section of the app to help gardeners out with their gardens. So you'll find Growbot on our app on the bottom corner of the screen. Whenever you go in there and you tap that button, you will enter into the AI world of Growbot, and Growbot will be there to help guide you through any gardening questions you may have that the app doesn't answer, or if you have any region-specific questions about what type of tomatoes grow best in my area or something along those lines. Feel free to give Growbot a try and type your question in there, and Growbot will give you your response. This is an awesome new feature, and I am super excited to see what all Growbot can help you all out with your gardening questions. The update that contains this Growbot newest feature is available now in iOS and Android stores, so make sure if you have not yet that you update your app so that way you can go in and give Growbot some of your questions that you have been asking. I hope that you all find Growbot as fun and helpful as we have so far whenever we've been trying it out. If you guys have any feedback, I would love to hear it from you, and I look forward to everybody giving it a try. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see y'all later. Bye.